Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a pumpkin pie in Toca Boca. First, navigate to your character's home and find the kitchen. This is where all the culinary magic happens. You'll need to gather specific items from various locations within the game. Don't worry, it's a fun scavenger hunt. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your virtual pie turns out perfectly. Get ready to bake. To begin, you'll need a pumpkin. Head to the farm or the local market in Toca Boca to pick one up. Next, visit the grocery store to grab essential baking items such as flour, sugar, and eggs. Don't forget to check the spice aisle for cinnamon and nutmeg. These are crucial for that authentic pumpkin pie flavor. Make sure you have all these items in your inventory before moving on. Now for the fun part. In your kitchen, drag the pumpkin to a cutting board to prepare it. Then, combine your pumpkin puree with the flour, sugar, eggs, and spices in a mixing bowl. Once thoroughly mixed, pour the filling into a pie crust. Finally, place the pie into the oven. Wait for a few moments until it turns a lovely golden brown, indicating it's perfectly baked. Your delicious Toca Boca pumpkin pie is ready. Carefully remove it from the oven. You can now slice it and serve it to your characters. Watch them enjoy this festive treat you've created. It's a wonderful way to celebrate or just have a cozy virtual meal. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.